So we're finally here in Nagoya and we went straight here to Popeyes. So binaba lang namin yung gamit namin sa hotel and then nag-Uber na kami papunta dito sa may Fushimi area, dito sa restaurant na to. It's called Popeyes. Okay, nandito na yung food ko. Mamaya na lang. Nagko-close kasi sila ng around 5 p.m., 4:30 p.m. And it's already 3:45 and yung last order nila is 4 p.m. So this will be our first meal here in Nagoya and I'm so excited to try it. So yeah, let's try. Let me show you guys pala kung ano yung mga in-order namin. So I ordered the rare salmon cutlet set meals. Ang si Joped ang in-order niya is ginger pork with homemade sauce. So kain na tayo. Itadakimasu! Kanina nasa may Osu Shopping Street tayo. Unfortunately, wala palang Uniqlo at Gio doon. So, naglakad-lakad kami and napadpad kami dito sa may Sakae area kung saan merong Uniqlo and Gio kasi may kailangan kami bilhin. But, eto, napuntahan na namin yung may Rai Tower. So, yan siya, nasa likod namin and so beautiful. Ang ganda niya paggabi kasi may ilaw siya. I'm not sure kung what time nagsisimula yung ilaw pero yan, ganyan yung itsura niya and para siyang Eiffel Tower, pero mas maliit na version. We're just gonna take some more photos dito sa Mirai Tower and we'll see you back at the hotel. Bye! So, we're done getting ready. Babe, ring mo pala to. Then, magbe-breakfast na kami. This is my outfit. I'm just gonna wear a trench coat. All black tayo. Black and white. And of course, my Garmin para makount natin ang ating mga steps for today's video. So yeah, see you sa breakfast. So yan yung breakfast niya, may bread siya. Dahil mo kinuwang egg. Egg, ano yan? Ano to? Yan, and then may chicken, and then merong salad. So I'm already eating my breakfast. Grabe, sobrang useful ng mic na to kasi naiiyak akong lakasan yung boses ko. Pero I'm pretty sure narinig niyo ako. I am having rice with chicken na siya. So, free pala yung breakfast dito sa Toyoko Inn. Actually, na-discover namin to nung nag-Mount Fuji kami last year. Kasi sa Toyoko Inn din kami nag-stay. Nag 2 days, 1 night kami sa Mount Fuji. They also give you omelette. Ang cute ng mga omelette nila dito. Very perfect yung pagkakaluto. Hindi ako nakakuha ng soup. So, kukunin ko yung soup na Joped. Dito na kami sa may Tetsu bus station. So, from Nagoya Station, sundan nyo lang lahat ng signage na nakalagay ay may Tetsu Bus Center. As in, sundan nyo lang talaga siya, hindi na kayo maliligaw. So, again, yung ticket, binili ko siya sa Wheeler website. So, ganito siya. Yan, papakita na lang namin siya. No need to print. Guys, so we're now here. Punta kami sa Takayama Old Town. So, ito yung Miyagawa. Hindi. Anong tawag dito? Miyagawa River. So, maaraw, pero malamig. Alam nyo, kakaiba tong Takayama. Parang wala masyadong tao. I mean, gets ko kasi syempre medyo nasa parang province side, countryside na siya. Pero yung mga stores, parang yung iba, closed. So, hopefully, open yung mga stores dun sa Takayama Old Town. Sarap nito. Wow. Parang gusto ko unahin yung dessert kaysa lunch. Nakapila kami ngayon for the Hida Sushi and sobrang haba ng pila nito. So, we're now gonna try the Hida beef. So, ang in-order namin yung letter C combination siya. So, merong salt lang, merong soy sauce, and then yung ganka. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng ganka. So, search na lang natin. Okay, so let's try first yung salt. Parang it's not for me. It's not for me. I mean, okay, masarap siya pero knowing na hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa beef. So, we decided na mag-coffee muna. Actually, sobrang daming coffee shop or cafes dito sa Takayama Old Town. So, kayo na lang mahihirapan mamili. So, akin is matcha, of course. And then si Joped, cafe latte. 2:30 na. After namin mag-coffee dito, babalik na kami sa hotel para makapag-check-in kami. So, ito pala yung coffee shop, guys. Ang pangalan niya is Coffee Stand. So, ito siya. Yan. More on coffee, pero meron silang food din. So, if you want to grab some food din, pwede. Cute lang siya na stand dito. Then, dito lang kami umupo sa gilid. Actually, meron pa silang mga upuan sa loob. Tapos, meron ding coffee shop sa tabi niya. Guys, we're here at Hida Folk Village, and as mentioned, I'm not sure kung na-mention ko kanina pala, but every winter, nag-o-open or nagkakaroon sila ng illumination dito sa Folk Village. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. 5:30 p.m. onwards, ganito yung itsura niya. So, may ilaw siya, and I think mas maganda siya pag ganito or pag may ilaw. Tapos may bonfire doon sa may bandang entrance. Pwede kang mag-take ng pictures doon. Ang ganda niya, though wala na masyadong snow yung mga bubong ng mga gasho house. Pero sobrang nakakawaw pa rin yung itsura niya. Kasi tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Tapos may parang, ano tong nasa gitna? River? Pond? Yeah, parang may pond sa gitna. Pond ba yan o river? Pond lang. So, yan. Ang ganda. Guys, teka, papakita ko sa inyo maigi. Ayan guys, it looks so stunning at night. So, if may time kayo or may chance kayo, pag nadalaw kayo dito sa Takayama ng winter, puntahan nyo tong Hida Folk Village. Check nyo if merong ino-offer na ganito, like illumination. I think yearly naman tong ganito. Hi guys, so it's currently 7:34 p.m. and kakagalang lang namin sa Hida Folk Village. Naghahanap kami kanina ng pagdidineran namin and medyo maaga mag-close yung mga restaurant dito. So, yung iba naman, madaming waiting. So, ngayon nandito kami sa Mikado. Actually, naglakad-lakad lang talaga kami and see if saan kami pwedeng kumain. And luckily, kami yung last na customer na i-accommodate nila. Close na yung nakalagay dito sa, nila, sa door nila. Pero kanina open yan. Tapos, flinip nila into close. Pero, so, nag-worry kami. Hala, tapos, yung sabi sa amin, wait lang daw kami. Kasi papasukin kami sa loob. So, nagbabawi ako ng kain. Mag-rice kami. Ayan na ata. Okay, thank you. So, day 3 here in Japan, and we're on our way to the bus station here in Takayama. So, we're trying to catch the early buses going to Shinhotaha Ropeway, and after namin mag Shinhotaha Ropeway, hiningal ako maglakad, maghihirayo onsen kami. The weather for today, it's around 4 to 5 degrees. So, kahit naka-puffer na ako and meron pa akong sweater sa loob, hindi ako naiinitan. Hinihinga lang. Hi guys, so we're now here already at the Shinhotaka Ropeway. We're just waiting para makasakay kami ng cable car. So dalawang cable car yung sasakyan nyo para makapanik kayo dun sa pinakataas. So cable car 1 and 2. And yung round trip ticket is around 3,800 yen for adults. Nakalimutan ko yung price for kids. But yeah, 3,800 yen for 1,900.
Sa kids.
Yeah, 1,900 daw ata for kids. And yeah, round trip ticket na yung 3,800 yen. And then kanina, dun sa store, may store sa baba before dito sa ticket area, may store dun. Bumili kami ng gloves. Pakita mo yung gloves, babe. So yan, bumili kami ng gloves. Supposedly sa Family Mart kami bibili ng gloves, pero medyo mukhang disposable yung mga gloves dun sa Family Mart. And this one cost us around 2,200 yen each, which is 830 in peso. So okay na rin siya kasi ito medyo mas quality siya. Yung brand niya pala is Montbell kasi magsiski kami mamaya. So ito na rin yung gagamitin namin gloves mamaya pag nag-ski. Tapos kung may area dun sa taas na pwede kaming humawak ng snow, at least makakahawa kami.
The world's greatest authority in modern dancing. Perfect.
We are now here at the, di ba, first station going to Shinhotaka Ropeway, and the view here is sobrang ganda. Amazing, stunning. Ano pa? Ano pang pwede kong i-describe sa kanya? Nasa likod yung Japan Alps and the whole area is still covered with snow. So, yeah. Ano sabi mo?
Saya.
Robbie Garduse reporting live from Mount Everest.
Wala na ito sa Pilipinas eh.
We're taking you back to Shirakawa Station. The cab right away when you pass over the supporting towers.
Hi guys, good morning. So we're now here at Shirakawa Go and we're on the way. Go? Go, go, go! Char. And we're on the way to the observatory deck. Yeah, lalakarin lang namin papunta dun sa observatory kasi 300 yen din yung shuttle bus. And I think it's also an experience kapag nilakad mo siya. So, ito yung way papanik ng observatory. Medyo uphill siya. Kasi dun pa siya sa pinakatuktok. As in dyan sa tuktok na yan. Kung balak nyo, wag mag-shuttle like us. This is the technique. Patras ang pag-akyat. At least nakikita pa natin yung view. Hindi lang natin nakikita kung matatapilok tayo. Sa view. Hello po. Hello. Baba lang namin from the observatory and meron kami mga nadaanan na shops here. So we're gonna try the Hida beef croquette. And then this one is the seaweed fried roll mochi. So taste test. Dito muna, croquette. May sausawan ba to? Sarap. At try nating lagyan ito. Hindi siya masyadong maanghang. Kalat ko. Oh, seaweed roll, fried mochi. Ito.
Kailan mo siya i-roll?
Kailangan ko siyang i-roll. So, tig-isa tayo. Parang ganon. Pero oily siya eh. So, wala mo siyang i-roll na pag ganyan. Try ko. Mas gusto ko yung ano. Yung isa. Yung croquette. So, bumili kami ng Hida milk ice cream. Yan siya. Taste test. Kakaiba yung lasa. I can't describe. Sarap. No? Sarap niya. Try niyo to kapag nagpunta kayo sa Shirahawago or anywhere in Takayama. I think madami namang nag-offer. Ano ba yun? Baka maubos. Madami naman nagbibenta niyan kahit sa Takayama. Pero ngayon lang namin trinay. Sarap pala siya. No? Like it. Guys, good morning. So, we're already here in Nagoya and we just headed out. So, medyo late na kami umalis ngayon. It's already 11 a.m. here in Japan. And we went straight here sa lunch. And then after this, we're gonna go to Toyota Commemorative Museum. Buti na lang, Sunday ngayon. Kasi tomorrow, sarado pala yun. Hindi ko na-check. Pero today kami pupunta. And then after that, maglalakad-lakad around Noritake Garden. Kasi magkalapit lang yung dalawa na yun. Stay here in Nagoya. Mamaya, pupunta na kami sa airport. Around 2 p.m. yung flight namin. But before we leave Nagoya, we wanted to try their morning service. Meron silang parang culture here in Nagoya that every morning they offer like a toast and a coffee as a set meal. We're not actually gonna try the set meal, but we're gonna try the toast and a coffee. So, usually mura lang yung mga set meal around parang 1,000 yen or less. Meron ka ng bread and then meron ka ng coffee and then may egg na and vegetable. That's what they call the morning service. But since we've already had like a little bit of breakfast sa hotel, we're just gonna try the ogura on a hot plate. But they have that toast bread with ogura on top. I think ay parang red bean paste yon yung nasa taas. And then merong vanilla ice cream. Papalipas lang kami ng oras dito and then we're gonna head back to the hotel para makasakay kami ng shuttle going to Nagoya Station. So that is the set meal. Meron na siyang egg and then meron na din siyang bread and then yung coffee nila inaantay lang nila. So this is the yogurt toast with vanilla ice cream on top.